Hello everybody and welcome back. Okay, today we're going to do some string formatting. I'm going to make it very simple. So we're going to create a variable called name is equal, and then we're going to give it a name. Let's say Johnny Ward. Okay. Age. Okay, again we're going to give it a value of, let's say, 48, and job is going to be porn star. Okay, so now we're going to format these. So I'm going to create the first function called format string 1. Simply format string 1, and now we're going to print my name is, and I'm hey dear, I keep hitting the wrong keys because they're worn. Let's have a look. And then we're going to do the format here, which is format, and we're going to do name, age, and job. So that's the first one, and we're just going to call this, make sure it runs okay before we go on to the other one. So we'll call it by format string 1, and then we've got to save it. So let's just make that font a little bit bigger there. So okay, there we go. So format string 1, save that, and let's run it. Okay, so there you go. You can see how it's formatted it there. So it's taken the information that was stored in the variables and inserted it into the sentence. Okay, we're going to do string format 2, which is a newer way of doing it, and tell you the truth, it's a lot less complicated, though this isn't that complicated at all. So lots of people are doing this because it is the latest way of doing it. So format string 2, so we're going to print, and then we're going to put the F, the format, and then we're going to do the strings. So my name is, and then we're going to do the brackets again, but this time we've got to put name in. Then again, the next one that we're going to use is age, and the keys are a little bit worn on here. I'm going to have to get some of those stickers to put over the top of them. Okay, so and then we're going to do job, not John. It's not a John, a job. Okay, and we're going to just do a new line there like that. So now what we're going to do is we're going to call this, so this is format string 2. Okay, so format string 2, not sting, string 2. Okay, so let's save that, let's run this. And there we go, it's formatted it the same. You can see it's placed the information from the variables into the string. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. Hope you enjoyed that. Sorry about this. Give it a big thumbs up and remember to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in another video. Bye-bye.